First to worst, how to play. The object of this cooperative game is to earn more points than the game. The oldest player goes first and is called the ranker. The ranker takes a set of rank cards while the other set is placed on the table. Shuffle the topic cards, then flip over the top 5 face up in a row on the table, reading them aloud as they are flipped. If the ranker does not know what a card means, then that card is discarded and replaced with a new face-up card. Once finished, the ranker now decides how they would rank each card in priority, with 1 being the highest priority and 5 being the lowest, by placing one of their rank cards face down below each topic. The ranker may not place down the cards in an obvious order or in any way that the other players know which topic has which rank. All the other players must remain silent until the ranker finishes ranking the topics. Once the ranker says they are finished, they may no longer rearrange cards. Now, all the other players discuss and work together to place the other rank cards face up above the topic cards so as to match what order they think the ranker picked. Once finished, the ranker then reveals their cards, and for each correct match where both the ranker and the group picked the same number for the topic, the group of players score 1 point. For every incorrect match, the game scores 1 point. Record the scores on the scorepad. Discard the topic cards, and the role of ranker rotates clockwise by 1 and play another round. Repeat this process until every player has been the ranker once. Then the game ends. If the group score is equal to or greater than the game, then you all win. If not, then you all lose.